Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today we're exploring Transatel, a company specializing in global mobile connectivity solutions. Their website, found at https://www.transatel.com, offers a comprehensive look at their services, which cater to various needs, from individual travelers to large-scale enterprise deployments. Navigating their website, you'll discover a wealth of information about their innovative offerings in areas such as IoT, Internet of Things, M2M, machine-to-machine communication, and cellular data connectivity for international roaming. Transatel appears to be a key player in providing seamless global connectivity solutions. They focus on enabling devices and applications to connect anywhere in the world reliably and securely. Their website highlights their expertise in managing complex cellular data networks and their commitment to delivering innovative solutions that meet the evolving needs of businesses and individuals operating in an increasingly connected world. Exploring their offerings further reveals their dedicated focus on providing tailored solutions, emphasizing flexibility and scalability to cater to diverse client requirements. This suggests they can handle both small and large-scale deployments with equal proficiency. For those interested in delving deeper, the website offers resources like white papers and case studies, showcasing practical applications and successful deployments of their technology. Moreover, they appear to emphasize customized solutions, suggesting a consultative approach to address the specific needs of their clients. Visitors to their website can learn about their global presence and the extensive coverage they provide, ensuring consistent connectivity across various regions. It's clear they are committed to enabling seamless communication and data transfer across borders, facilitating global operations for their clientele. They seemingly prioritize secure and reliable connectivity, essential for businesses and individuals who depend on uninterrupted access to vital information and services while abroad or operating internationally. Finally, their website likely provides contact information and further resources for prospective clients to explore partnership opportunities and learn more about how Transatel can address their unique connectivity challenges.